are you gonna do that first?
Just go ahead and finish it up. That way I don't need it again.
Yeah. Do you need this way?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it.
Yeah. Okay.
This safety first.
Damn, that's a nice one.
That was a little heavy.
This is oddly satisfying.
No.
Nice.
Ki van met deze aan of je soort het dan
Nee, jag tänker.
vilka liknande fisk.
As you can see, currently I'm secluded. This is towards my gates. And if I go 360, I'm entirely secluded. Minus whatever's going on here. Oh, so nervous. Well, this is really sad for me. They are removing anything that's not an oak tree. So any green privacy stuff is out on their side. It makes me want to learn how to cry. I think this is an appropriate moment for someone to cry. Alright. I guess I should start working. Oh, it holds 14 and a half. Is to learn all the tricks. Oh, doesn't have the torque. Okay, that didn't work. Oh my god, this is not a right solution. This will work perfectly, but that took forever. How does this work? And how do I get this shit out? You're supposed to stay. You're supposed to leave the premises. You're done. Whoa! Well, that is going to be fun. So 14, which means I need 28 holes. Okay, 90 degrees. Whoa. What? Are you serious? Did that just happen? How did this metal snap? I'll just cut the rest of these at least. And find a different hobby for the day. That's like 2 feet. That's definitely not 2 feet.
You're doing it right now.
Well, yeah. Once we put that on this, I'm not removing that. I'm not gonna have a Jerry to move that. You're probably starving. I'm a terrible host.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're good? The breakfast healthy one?
You're like, it's not that hot out anymore.
Yeah,
Cool
please.
down.
Spare my eyes. Cool down. I have the burger, patties, buns, asparagus, toppings all ready, and potatoes.
We're supposed to do a burn off.
What does that mean?
Burn it for like half an hour to make sure there are foreign objects.
We're gonna eat dinner at like gazillionth hour.
Maybe. And we gotta prime the hopper.
Zero juiciness. I'm literally as a jerky.
The flavor's really good out of it though.
Look at that onion.
It's dried onion.
It was this fluorescent yellow-green leaves in my dream.
Yeah.
That's why I bought this land. So this is where I want to put the slab going from here to here as a bar. I didn't have another hammer, so I was using a sledgehammer. Is it working out?
Yeah. How's my works look over there? All right.
It looks really good. I was just thinking how I didn't have to give you any instruction, just tell you to nail it. It's perfect. Jerry had a great idea for these ones, because I was struggling the other day to nail them up there. It's a lot easier to just nail them down here and then put them up.
Expecting Amazon?
A few more to go. Possible. I order stuff.
Is this
I
your
never.
barbecue?
Oh, it could be my griddle.
I'll go grab it. See what it is. Hello. How you doing? I just gotta take a quick photo. I like how he's like, he had to take a picture of it,
Yeah.
but he just flopped it down in the middle of dirt upside down. So he couldn't even see like the label. So it's like, he could just do that and like his next 20 packages he could just use the same picture because it's just upside down in dirt.
On dirt. Did I do the wrong side? Are you serious? It can go over there.
Hold on.
Yeah. So it needs to be on this side. I'm working the assembly line today. For the record, I don't force my guests to work. They offer to help.
That's a lie.
They want to help. And I do not say no. Hey! I'm gonna work on bird blocks finally. And hope it doesn't start raining. But I got a electric drill, so I don't have power issues anymore. Perfect. Quite tight and nice. That's my bird block. 30 holes, so 15 more times. Usually they do 3 holes. It's such a small building and such a small span. I think 2 should be enough. I'm rolling the dice, but I only ordered 30, so I'm just gonna go with 2. So now that's done. All of the hurricane ties are done. But it's probably not right actually. Yeah, it's a bit too tight. This one will fit here, so I'll do this one. If I make a mistake here, that will be really bad. He got them out so perfectly. Look at that. Yeah, I think we should unplug the power and just start going in.
That makes sense. You won't push it.
Yeah, let's not push our luck. Oh my god, the storm colors are absolutely stunning. Wow, such bright colors. Hello, sir.
Hello, miss.
This is one of my favorites.
Salmon,
My
turkey,
version
salmon,
of a
turkey,
mofongo.
turkey.
Yes. Yes. I travel to lots of South American countries that make this dish, and then this is my version. It's like a concoction of different things I saw and took what I like from each culture. I hope you like it.
Me too.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Why is it everything you prepare me, I feel like I have to dislocate my jaw to get in my mouth?
donkey. Okay, push that in. Perfect. That's good. Thank you. Now I just need to build those outriggers, but lots of unevenness, like 1/8 here, 16th there, whatever. So, but slowly but surely, this is what happened today. So, bird blocks are in, and this piece of wood is in. So I'm gonna do something funky and quirky here. Thank you, Jerry.